Little Island is a floating public park primarily funded by the Diller-von Furstenberg Family Foundation with support from the City of New York in Hudson River Park. The park features a lush seasonal landscape with rolling hills, walking paths, and open lawns and dazzling views of New York City. Little Island is an artificial island park in the Hudson River west of Manhattan in New York City, adjoining Hudson River Park. Designed by Heatherwick Studio, it is near the intersection of West Street and 13th Street in the Meatpacking District and Chelsea neighborhood of Manhattan. It is located slightly west of the Manhattan shoreline atop Hudson River Pier 55, connected to Hudson River Park in Manhattan by footbridges at 13th and 14th Streets. Little Island, of course, looks very special from a distance. When you visit it, it's mainly just a park, but a very beautiful one if you take a walk here. You will encounter no fewer than 35 types of trees, 65 types of shrubs, and a few hundred other types of plants. This means it can rightly be called a green oasis in the Hudson. The idea of a Little Island was born in 2012 and is a project of millionaire Barry Diller and his wife fashion designer Diller-von Furstenberg, who donated over $260 million USD to build it. The design comes from the well-known English designer Thomas Heatherwick, who also created the vessel. Little Island's wavy design is inspired by a leaf floating on the water. Construction of the island started in 2017 and the project was completed in 2021 and opened for the public on May 21, 2021. It's a truly impressive experience between nature and art. Since its opening on May 21, 2021, Little Island has welcomed over 1 million visitors and has been touted as a New York City park for the future. Little Island covers 2.4 acres and is supported by 132 pot-shaped structures called tulips suspended above the water, which in turn stand on 280 concrete pilings extending into the riverbed. The tops of the pots range from 15 to 62 feet above the mean water line. The landscape provides a visually surprising and inspiring experience as visitors walk across the park. The plantings are varied to provide an environment that changes with the season, with flowering trees and shrubs, fall foliage, and evergreens. More than 66,000 bulbs and 114 trees have been planted, some of which will grow to 60 feet tall. Food and drinks including wine and beer are sold at 3 stalls within the park. No outside alcohol is permitted, but visitors are welcome to bring their own food.